Amidst the trials and tribulations of the journey of captives of Karbala, the voices of the Ahlulbayt rang out, carrying a message of truth, justice, and unwavering faith. In markets and courtyards, Lady Zainab's eloquent speeches echoed, captivating hearts and stirring souls. Her words unveiled the true essence of the tragedy, inspiring empathy and awakening the conscience of the masses. Alongside her, Lady Kulsum and Lady Ruqayya steadfastly shared their grief and resilience, melting hearts with their innocence and bravery. Imam Sajjad's speeches, marked by humility and wisdom, offered solace to the captives, instilled hope in the darkest of times and created awareness in masses. These powerful speeches echoed far and wide, igniting a chain reaction of emotions, from tears of empathy to defiance against injustice. The impact was profound. The Ahlulbayt's speeches transcended the confines of the markets and courts, forging an unbreakable connection between hearts and the cause of Imam Hussain.